Begin by adding videos to the timeline, then go up to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then right-click the adjustment layer, go into Time, Time Stretch, and set new duration to be 20 frames, then click OK. Now move the adjustment layer above the cut so that it extends evenly on both sides of it, then open Effects and Presets window, search for Motion Tile, add it to the adjustment layer, then search for Transform, and also add it to the adjustment layer. Now move the playhead to the start of the adjustment layer, and in Effect Controls, we're going to skip Motion Tile for now and come back to it later. Now under Transform, we're going to create a keyframe for rotation by clicking on the stopwatch icon at the start of the layer. Then go to the end of the adjustment layer, and set the rotation to 360 degrees. That will put it at 1 full cycle. Now press U on the keyboard to see the keyframes on the timeline, drag and select them both, right click any of them, keyframe assistant, easy use, or we can press F9 as a shortcut. Now while the keyframes are still selected, we go into the graph editor by clicking here, then right click and make sure you select Edit Speed Graph, then drag and select any of the points, then you'll see these yellow handles. We're going to drag these yellow handles inward all the way until influence is at 100%. This is what the graph should look like. Now exit the graph editor, and before you preview, make sure you uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and increase it manually to add motion blur to the transition. Now if we have a look at this, we have the transition, but we also have these black borders that we don't want to see, and that's what the Motion Tile can help us with. So back in Effect Controls, under Motion Tile, we're going to increase the output width and output height until no black borders are visible. Make sure you check mirror edges at the end, and that should give us a very smooth spin transition.